DashXM app.
Are you an experienced Class A driver looking to earn the pay you truly deserve? I can help you with that. I am Fernando Cortez, Senior Vice President of Transportation with Walmart, and I am excited to announce that we have increased our driver pay across the nation. Starting in March, we raised the mileage and activity pay for all of our Class A drivers because you deserve to get paid for all the aspects of the job. Drivers can now earn up to $110,000 in their first year, with the more down the road. We believe this investment in our drivers will ensure we continue to offer one of the best driving careers in the industry. Our private fleet has regional and local driving opportunities across the nation. This is Drive for to learn more about our driving careers in your area. Call 888-596-2365. Choose a company that chooses to invest in you. Drive for Walmart.
Fox News headlines 24/7. The news you need the moment you want it. Days following arrest after being beaten by ex-Memphis cops who were black. Members of Congress say police reform legislation needs to evolve.
Democratic Congresswoman Summer Lee of Pennsylvania says Tyree Nichols' death in Memphis emphasizes that police violence is crime.
We can't say that we care about crime, but then do nothing, choose to do nothing over and over and over when the crime is committed by a police officer.
GOP Congressman Zach Nunn of spotlight on cops' performance.
We made sure that bad law enforcement officers couldn't be cycled through without some kind of a background check.
Both on CBS Face the Nation. They agree on support for a George Floyd Justice in Policing Act, but say it must go beyond grants and banning chokeholds and focus on community issues and accountability. Gernal Scott, Fox News.
Several former Twitter employees will be testifying before a Republican-led House panel about the New York Post story involving the Hunter Biden laptop.
The hearing centers on the most famous or infamous laptop in the world. Republicans contend the contents of the computer could be the linchpin to demonstrate possible influence peddling by the president at a hearing one day after State of the Union. The hearing will focus on what Republicans allege is social media bias and how they say Twitter suppressed the New York Post's initial story about the laptop. Hunter Biden's lawyers now aim to flip the script, demanding criminal probes of those who pushed the laptop story, even the repairman who Hunter Biden asked to fix his computer. Republicans aren't convinced about Hunter Biden's legal strategy and whether he concedes laptop ownership.
Fox's Chad Pergram. The shooting down of a Chinese suspected spy balloon off the coast of South Carolina Saturday has led to questions about how it was handled by the White House.
Many Republicans feel the administration waited too long to shoot the balloon down. Senator Rand Paul on Fox's Sunday Morning Futures.
This looked very, very weak in the eyes of our enemy, and I think was a huge mistake.
Senator Paul adding the intended impact goes beyond any information the balloon collected.
They've gotten a great deal of information as to how sluggish the Biden administration is in their response.
Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer says the full Senate will receive a detailed China briefing next week. During a news conference Sunday, he said the president and the Pentagon's patience paid dividends beyond protecting people from potential falling debris once the balloon.
We gained more intelligence while protecting our own sensitive information.
Kevin Uretsky, Fox News.
February is Heart Awareness Month. That story from Fox's Lisa Brady.
Health professionals and organizations call it a good opportunity to focus on cardiovascular health. According to the Centers for Disease Control and this year, the Division for Heart Disease and Stroke Prevention to expand the Million Hearts program and the CDC Foundation's Live to the Beat campaign, hoping to encourage and empower Black adults between the ages of 35 and 53 to take a few steps to reduce their risks. Black adults are among those who have the highest burden of cardiovascular disease and related health issues. On Lisa Brady, Fox News.
3 people were killed, 1 injured early Sunday near Los Angeles after a police pursuit in the city of Southgate. Authorities say the officers